What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up with the Joneses, Green Thumb Edition. Yes, it's Ricky Jones Jr., and I am back. As you can see, I have my pallet deck in the backyard. As y'all saw in the thumbnail, I am turning this beautiful deck area to a seated paradise, okay? From a deck to a seated paradise. Now, people are asking me, where do you get all of your pallets from? Look at my pallets. Like, I have pallets on pallets on pallets, even have pallets all the way back there. Now, I get my pallets from hospitals, yes. Also, you can go buy different storage units and storage companies and things like that. They'll have them sitting outside, usually along the back area of their storage, facilities and things like that. Free to pick up and things like that. So, if you don't want to spend money on buying pallets, which you absolutely can, you can just take your time and wait, call out, ask for help, things like that, which is what I did to allow me to have the pallets that you see before you now. So hopefully that helped you out. If you haven't already done so, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, subscribe to the family. Let's grow together. We'll have so many other pallet ideas and things that we build with the pallets, because as you can see, we have a lot right now, and we'll have some fun along the way. All right, let's do it. So now that that's done, we're gonna do like a little height test, and I'm gonna just see how it feels to naturally get on the deck and then go ahead and sit down on the bench or on the couch, and we'll see how it feels. Whoa. Okay, so that's kind of low to my liking. This may be best suited if I had it feels like a bed or something. But this is actually kind of low. I feel like one more height would be perfect. So yeah, I think I'm gonna add one more level, and I think 3 should be perfect. So let me go ahead and add another one. Let's go. Actually, when I sat down with 3 pallets stacked on top of each other, it was actually taller than I actually wanted. And especially knowing that my wife is coming and putting cushions and things on the boards, I realize and know that that's going to take it higher in height, which I really don't want. So 2 is actually the height that I'm going to go with. So I'm going to just have them all stacked one on top of the other, just 2. And as you can see, I have this little opening over here. So there's the boom, 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 and then I have an opening. So what I'm gonna do with the opening, as you all saw, on the thumbnail, but that'll be like a table area. So of course, while you're sitting down, let's say you're drinking something or you're eating something, it's always beneficial to have a table in front of you or beside you or around you that you can put things on. So that is where the table area will go, which I'll probably put some plants there and things like that to help to repel the mosquitoes, or when I have like an off candle or anything like that, I can put it on the table. It just smells up the area, keep the mosquitoes and things away. And so that is what I'm gonna do with the area. So let me go ahead and put some pallets in there, which I'm gonna do that one a little higher than the seats are, of course, because it's a table. So let me go ahead and have a little fun with that. Put those there. Alright, beautiful people, so that part is done. Now, if you have help lifting the pallets, that will be grand and great. Obviously, I do not, so I just went for it, but the help is necessary, okay? Because as you start lifting the pallets, you will get a little weaker along the journey, but nonetheless, of course, it's always good to have somebody here with you as well, just for entertainment and things like that. But anyway, not to prolong you, I have here what I have done. So now, let me tell you what I did why I did what I did. I have the blue palettes at the bottom and the lighter color on top, as you can see. No, it's not an aesthetic thing, it's not a visual thing, it's actually a functionality thing. Now, those who deals with pallets and things like that, you know, the color ones are usually more dense, heavier, and probably different wood than the lighter colored ones. Now, yes, it can be toxic. You don't want to use it for raised garden beds and things like that where you will be eating from, but you can sit on it, you can step on it, you can still use them. Anyway, I have them at the bottom for the support and stability portion of the couch, and then I have the lighter color woods, the heat treated woods here at the top, which the cushions will sit on top of. Now, as I sat on it, it was pretty sturdy, so I'm trying to wonder and figure out if I should put nails in it. If you think I should, please comment and help below. Go ahead, drop a comment below, let me know if you think I should put nails in it. Right now it's pretty sturdy, to be honest. Now obviously I'm not, you know, heavy or anything, so I wouldn't cause any major disruption when sitting down on the pallet deck, but man, it's pretty secure. But again, I'm willing to work with you all, and you all work with me and you help me. So if you think I should, I will, but until then I won't. So after putting the table where I put the table, I realized I wanted a back area to my couch so that, you know, you can rest your back there and you don't have to really worry about leaning on the fence or anything like that. So what I'm gonna do is run pallets along the back end of the couch, screw it in, go from there. I should be good to go. It should be just that easy. So I'm gonna go ahead and lay down the pallets, do what I just did, and take you on a ride. Let's go. Well, ladies and gentlemen, there you have the back area for my back while I sit down, things like that. I actually didn't have to do much work to it because I have this fence behind me, so we'll have the cushion here. Our back will be able to rest there. I don't even think I would like scoot all the way back in there unless I'm like trying to go to sleep. There we go, just like that. I'm relaxing, maxing and relaxing. Cheating on the job. Okay, let me get up. Now, I'm looking at this deck, and if you know me, you know I really want to do more. So I honestly want to like extend my deck. I really do. Right now it is 6 boards, like, you know, for the base. 2 rows of 3, and I think I want to do another row of 3. I honestly do. So comment below if you think I should add some more to it, and if I add more to it, of course I'll do a video doing it and even showing you again how I do the flooring for my deck area. And of course I'll just add another seat that'll probably go that way. So I have my table. This is my table area. Yes, I will sand it. I'll probably give it a clear coat of paint or whatever, and sand it, make sure you don't get any splinters or anything like that. It's honestly that easy. Me personally, I feel comfortable sitting on this wood like this. However, I know I have a wife and I have children, and they probably wouldn't feel comfortable or safe doing so. So that's why my wife says she wants to do cushions. But again, even cushions are an option. If you choose not to do cushions, I would recommend pulling up the boards and making them closer. I don't have to do that because cushions are coming, so that's why it's left this way. But if you're just gonna sit on the wood, just bring the boards closer. And I've done a video where I took up the boards and things like that, and so, you know, you could just refer to that video if you would like, or I'll do another one. We'll figure it out. Anyway, I'm pretty confident and secure with what I have here. The product that I see, I like. There's a table, here's my chairs, and I could sit. There's my garden right there. You know, it's just a 1-2 punch. I could sit here, put my drink here, look there. Sit, put, look, in that order. So I guess that's what I'll do right now, since I feel like I'm done. If you don't feel like I'm done, go ahead, comment, let me know, and I'll do what needs to get done. I mean, we're all growing together. But until next time, I love you, beautiful people, and if you haven't already done so, please go ahead and subscribe to this video, and I'm sure we'll have some awesome times together, more pallet creations done. I want to build a chair for my real deck that connects to the house up there. We're going to go ahead and clean it off, my wife and I, during this quarantine time. We're gonna pressure wash it. We're gonna clean it. I'm gonna build a chair and a table out of pallets, of course. I have it, why not use it? And yeah, man, this whole area is gonna be nice and fun. So by summertime, it's gonna be party time, okay? We'll be able to be free again. Outside will be open, as people are saying, which is hilarious. And we'll be able to get out here. So my goal is by summertime to have this area to be beautiful and fun and inviting and ready to host parties and things like that. So as I build and as we build along the way, you will see those things. And at the end of the day, we'll have homes that are fun and inviting and exciting for people. All brought to you by Pallets. All right, great people. So I love you and I thank you for watching this video. Until next time, peace.